Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gutbomb from Fortnite. So, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then back down like this. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes in and a little line that goes in right here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves over like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's just going to curve up like this. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line for the tomato, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and over, and then I'm just going to continue it over to here and go up. Then right here, I'm going to draw kind of like a V shape that goes down and up for a piece of cheese. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves over to here, jumps over here, goes to the cheese, jumps around, and then curves up. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. Going to kind of curve right underneath the tongue, and then it's going to go up like this. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves up and down. And then over here, I'm going to draw the same thing, line that just curves up and goes down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and another one here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to draw a little square shape right here, and then a little square shape over here. He has like tape over his eyes. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then I'm just going to run it right by the eye, and then do the same thing at the top. So I'm just going to do that again. I'm going to go up, over, right around the eye, and then over and then down. Now, he has a couple big scars on him. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, over, down, and then back like this. Then right here, he has a really big scar. So I'm just going to go up, make a little line, go real high, then come down, another little one, and go down here. Then I'm just going to continue this right here. And then I'll draw a little line right here on the cheese. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little kind of broken line that goes across. Okay, now for the body. I'm going to make the body a little bit smaller than I did the head. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little circle shape or a little smiley face shape. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up and then over like this for part of his hoodie. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, go down, up, and then over for the hoodie. Then right under here, I'm going to draw a little square, or kind of more rectangle shape. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down at an angle, and then right to here. And then same thing here, line that goes down at an angle, and then over. Then I'm going to make a line here and a line here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then another line over here that goes down. And then I'm going to draw 3 rectangles right here that are very close together. And then I'm just going to draw a little line in between them. And then above that line, I'm going to draw a little line on each one. Then I'm going to draw another line underneath these for the belt. Then right here for part of his pants, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then back up at an angle. And then I'm just going to draw that same shape inside again. Now for his legs, I'm just going to draw a line starting right here that's just going to curve down, around, and then go back up. Then I'm going to draw a line here that just kind of curves down, and goes around, and then back up. Then I'm going to make kind of like a rectangle shape around this leg, and then a rectangle shape kind of around this leg, or more of like a curve for the top of the boot. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down, and then over, down, over, and then up for one boot. The line right here just goes down, over, and then up for this boot. Then I'm going to draw a line across on each one. And then I'm just going to put a diagonal line, 2 of them, on each boot like this. Then right here, I'm just going to put 3 little squares going down his leg. And then I'm going to draw a long rectangle over here with 2 little lines on it. Now for his arms. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. Then I'm just going to go over and then curve back up. Then I'll do the same thing here, draw a line that curves down, goes over, and then curves back up. Then I'm going to make a curved line around the end of each one for the top of the gloves. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. And then I'm just going to curve this around like this, kind of like a hook. I'll do the same thing on this side. Then I'm just going to bring it in and put a little line like this. Bring it in, put a little curved line. Then I'll draw a little line out on each side for the thumb. And then just bring the line down. Then right here, I'm going to put a little rectangle with a line on top. Now, on here, he has a little picture of himself, just kind of like a sloppy little drawing. So I'm just going to make a little eye like this, and then a bigger eye like this. I'm going to put a little pupil in each one. Just a curved line up, and then a line that goes down and then kind of curves up. A little tongue sticking out, and a line that goes down and over. Then on here, there are 2 little X's. And there you go. There is your drawing of Gutbomb from Fortnite. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.